here is SpicyChat AI app. As you can see, it growing in the charts in popularity. Unlimited free AI roleplay chat. There are a lot of AI characters. You can create your own AI characters. So this is the app, and that's what you have. It's kind of alternative to character AI or to yeah. So here you can allow notifications. So here is it, and then you can go and see recent chats, and then you can go and create an account if you wanna. So here it is. This is how you register, and then you can just use Apple ID, for example. And then just create an account, and then you create your own bot, like you just name it, or no, you don't. That's just your bot. But then your chats, your bot, and your account, you can delete your account, and then yeah, see profile settings. So you can improve your experience using OpenAI. So yeah, that's just the idea here. And then you also have pricing plans, and then so that's just what it is here. I don't know if they have some kind of referral program, probably not. But yeah, there you have it. That's the app.